Shilpa Shetty is currently all over the news for her husband Raj Kundra's business scandal. But this is not the first time that Shilpa Shetty has landed herself into the controversy. Let's have a look at Shilpa Shetty's previous controversies. Richard Gere kissing scene. In 2007, during an awareness drive regarding AIDS, actor Richard Gere grabbed Shilpa Shetty and kissed her. But this did not go down well with people, and soon the news went viral and the duo were getting slammed badly. Big Brother controversy. Shilpa Shetty won the foreign reality show Big Brother, but a co-contestant, Jade Goody, made a racial comment on Shilpa Shetty. This became a huge matter, and later Jade Goody apologized to Shilpa Shetty and to the whole Indian audience. A priest kissed Shilpa Shetty. In 2009, when Shilpa Shetty visited the Shakhi Gopal temple, a priest kissed on her cheek. In the short span of time, the picture went viral and the actress got slammed badly everywhere. Shilpa replied to the trolls by saying that if a father cannot kiss his daughter. Raj Kundra's ex-wife's allegation. When Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra started to date, Raj was already a married man back then, and he left his first wife for Shilpa Shetty. Raj's first wife Kavita put allegations of a marriage breaker upon Shilpa Shetty, and she still blames solely Shilpa Shetty. Connection with Underworld. Few years back, Raj Kundra and Shilpa Shetty faced the allegation of having connections with the underworld don Dawood Ibrahim. A real estate scandal happened back then which involved this Bollywood actress and her husband and Dawood Ibrahim's aide Iqbal Mirchi. For this, Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra were questioned for more than 9 hours at a stretch. IPL betting case. This became a huge controversy in Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra's career. During the IPL, Raj Kundra was accused of betting and match fixing. Later, Kundra accepted the charges of doing betting but denied accusations of match fixing. In 2015, Raj and Shilpa received a lifetime ban from the series and they had to leave the ownership of Rajasthan Royals. Bold photo shoot. Another feather in Shilpa's controversial cap got added in the year 2006 when a non-bailable warrant was filed against her for doing a bold photo shoot for Madurai court issued a non-bailable warrant against the actress, which created quite a stir.